Hello. I want you, America, and the whole world to know the truth about Hillary Clinton's coughing fit, or coughing, however you want to call it. I want you to know that Hillary Clinton does the coughing deliberately. The cough is not a symptom of an illness or medical problem. She does it by her free will and own decision. You got to know. In this case, cough is a sign. It's a code that only a few people understand. Only a few people know why Hillary Clinton coughs deliberately. And I will explain the intention behind to you in this video. Her supposedly pneumonia is a deception. Now she fears somebody telling the truth. Like me, I will tell you the truth in this video right now. One indication for the fact that Hillary Clinton coughs deliberately is that she took her microphone, her hand-held microphone, to her mouth and coughs in the microphone. I will tell you later a little more about this. I know exactly what I'm talking about. I am Markus Falco Hegner from Germany. I found out that politicians in Germany are doing the same. They cough deliberately too, by their free will and their own decision. In Germany, journalists, people in civil services, lawyers and some more people take part in this too. The coughing is a very perverted way to show insiders that the person who uses this coughing code deliberately is a member of a circle of corrupt and criminal persons. They believe that they have so much power that they could cough to mock, to deride the people. What I say is not a claim. It is a provable fact. I suggest a criminal forensic examination about this. Two kinds of people understand the meaning of this coughing. At first the perpetrator and at least the victim. I waked up about it about 15 months ago. Since that day it started, I am a victim of a gang stalking program in Germany. I am followed every day and everywhere by persons who are coughing deliberately, and the way they cough is like Hillary Clinton does it too. It's almost 2 times. Watch the videos, Hillary Clinton coughs. In Europe I can find no help against this. I don't find a lawyer, I don't find help by any person doing something against this gang stalking program. Some lawyers take part in my personal coughing torture. It is a gang stalking program done by criminal and corrupt perpetrators from very high circles. You can watch in the internet, you can search in the internet for the gang stalking. For this reason, I know exactly what I'm talking about. On my YouTube channel, you can see Germany coughing. I loaded up many videos of this, and to this fact, and to prove this fact. And here's my appeal to you. Clear it up. Demand the truth. Ask your politicians. Ask Mr. Trump, ask Mr. Snowden, ask whoever you want. It takes very much courage and honesty telling the truth about this. Ask them to bring out the truth right now. Share this video and information with many people as you can, that everybody knows the truth.